Welcome to Arts and Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we are going to look at the union and intersection operations on set. Python provides these both as operators that you can apply between two sets, as well as method that you can call on a set object. First, we will learn about set union operation. In a union operation, you get is a new set in which you have all the unique elements from the set in the left operand and the set on the right operand. Let's see how to do it. First, I'm going to create a set on the left side, and so this will be 1, 2, 4, 6, and then our union operator, and then 2, 3, 4, 7, and we can just print the result of this print. And just gonna save it and run our script. And here is the output. So you will notice if you look at these two sets, there was few duplicate values such as 2 and 4 in both sets. Therefore, in the new set, I have total 6 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements instead of 8, because we have total 8 elements over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we can implement that same type of operation with the union method call on a set object. So we also have a method that we can use, and we can provide any sequence of element as an argument, and the union method will first convert that sequence of elements into a set and then perform the union operation. Let's see how to do it. And we can use 1, 2, 4, 6, and then dot union. This is the union method, and we can also pass in a list, and it will convert automatically into set 10, 20, 20, 50, and 4. And we are just going to pass into print function, and over here, and just run our script. And here in output, we can see that it's a set. We got the new set with the values 1, 2, 4, 6, 10, 50, and 20. And the duplicates are removed. There we are just using one of those, such as we have 20 repeated values over here, and we are just using one of that. And we have 4 and 4 duplicate values, and we are just using 1, 4. And the next thing we will learn about is a set intersection operation, which we do with the ampersand operator. This will give us the new set of element that contains the common elements between these two sets. Just the one which are common. I'm just gonna clear the terminal and close for now. And we are going to use print and pass in our sets 1, 2, 4, 6, and then ampersand sign, and then pass in a 2, 3, 4, and 7. And let's check out of the result. So it gave us a new set which only contains element which are common in both sets. We have these 2 and 4 in our both sets. Over here, you can see 2 here and also here and 4 here and here also. We can also use its method instead of using a operator. We can use a intersection method. Let's try that now. And over here, print, and then then our sets 1 2 4 6, and then we are going to call intersection method, and in this method we are going to pass in some values as a set as a list 2 3 4 7, but they will be converted into set. And I'm just gonna save this one, and it should show the elements that are common in both of these sets. So we are getting the intersection of the set. Let's run our program and check the result. And we get the same result. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel, Asim Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.